Sir, nawala po si Senator Alan doon sa GIS. Sabi mo nga, one could be perjury or the other one could be violation of the anti-dummy law, hindi ho ba? So are you saying that if at face value, this is what it is, because yung po yung GIS, General Information Sheet, would he be guilty of any of these? Perjury or the anti-dummy law?
That's too early to say. You have to ask the persons po na nandun sa GIS. Sa ngayon, sila po yung lead natin, yung mga tao na yan, na actually, ang original na gusto nating tanungin is, how come na walang liquidation? Considering the amount of money that was put doon sa organizing committee na yan.
Okay.
Pero bakit walang liquidation? But when we look at the documents that the GIS submitted by the NGO, by PISCO, yun po yung mga pangalan, and they're being to answer the questions that we will ask.